Hey YouTube, here's the Geo Metro, and I got both jumper boxes for my dog. Anyway, we're gonna see if the Geo is gonna start up. It's warm out. I don't know, 65 degrees out here. So which one here is better? I'll take the cracked one first. Hope this thing starts up. I ain't got a whole lot of power in these battery boxes. Okay, I gotta pop the hood. It started up a month ago or so, maybe a month ago. It ran, not very good, until it started. I got it going after a while cranking on it. So, let's hope it starts. I don't really like screwing with this Geo Metro. Hey, it's my dad's, it ain't mine. There we go. We ain't got no carburetor cleaner. So, carb cleaner is what I use as starting fluid. It works just as good. Starting fluid's kind of hard on motors. It can blow the heads off if you try and run them off with it. So, well, here goes. I'll leave the camera out here so you guys can see. That ain't a good spot. How about we see it? Right there. Hope it don't fall in. Hope the starter's not bad. Starter's kind of in a crappy spot on this thing. There we go, let's try it. It's too low. Shouldn't be. Got rebars on it, which normally takes 4, but well. Try the other one. Wish I knew how to bypass to the starter on this thing. Fords are easy to do that too, but this don't look as easy. Try the other one quick. Battery pack ain't maybe we'll have to try both of them at the same time. This thing had better not have a bad starter. I don't know why it would be bad. I didn't crank it all that much. Alright. Oh, freaking mosquitoes. Alright, let's try this. It's doing absolutely nothing. And the key barely even clicks. It's got power. I did this a couple times in the winter. I just have to keep clicking it and eventually it'll start cranking. Oh. Looks like it ain't gonna start. Okay. It won't even crank. Kind of surprising. I don't know why. Oh, dang mosquitoes. Screw off mosquitoes. Starter's located way the heck back there. Wait a sec, that ain't the starter. Where's the starter on this thing? Oh, who cares? Only a 3-cylinder. Anyone who's not smart enough to put anything bigger than a 3-cylinder into a car is completely retarded. Couldn't they at least put a 4-cylinder in this thing? This thing has no power. Oh my god, these mosquitoes are annoying. But, alright, later YouTube.